So hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I will feed the chicken. So I will call here, and the dog also, they're here. So we have lots brain this week. So I'll put this in here, spread in the cement. They really like it. And the dog is eating the food. Psst! Huy! Tucker, no. Hala. On some of the chicken, and they're in the tree already. Because it's dark in here. Very soon will rain. So last night we have a very heavy rain. And then we can't hear nothing but the roof only. It's very noisy. So that's our chicken. Some of them it's on the tree already because they thought that it's evening. See? Yeah. Asara kang old one. Pila naman yung kabuok? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Huy! Ang kuan oh, this is the bagis. That this is a boss. Gamay na lagi sila. Ay! They're in the other side already. So I'll get some. Oh. I'll get more food. So they're eating now. So I'll put another one here, this side, because the bug is the kuan. So there are spread in the ground. Malhin sila. Malhin. This one is very mean before, but I kick his I kick him before. So right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. Oh, so I'll go back in here. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 na lagi. Ang gamay ang manok. Our chicken is ang gamay. 17. Before it's 22. So 18 na lang. I don't know where's the other one. Ay, transfer sila dito. Arera mo oh. Here. We have some more here. Wala ang Bisaya kay maldita. I like the color, the rooster. Shh! Be nice. Nice kayo ang rooster. Maldito. So guys, very soon we're gonna rain again. We have lots and lots of rain this week. So sige, kaon mo. I really like this color. Oh. We still not give. They're planning. We are planning. We've been planning the what you call that to give this. Hala, oy, namatay naman. Namatay.